I want another key for this car, so I'll be going to a locksmith to get this blade cut, and then I'll program it myself. Let's see, the dealership wanted $306.48 for one key and to cut it. Then it would have been an additional fee to program it. Well, went to the locksmith and got these keys cut. Now, to my understanding, you take the key that's already programmed and cut, stick it in the ignition, turn to on for a couple of seconds. Oh, I'm shaky here, sorry. Pull it out and stick a new one in. Turn it for a couple of seconds. And that should be programmed. Now this should start the car. Let's see. It did. So not only a program to the ignition, but the FOB is programmed as well. This one to do now. See, no, this one isn't programmed yet. So again, I'll stick the key in the ignition. Turn for a couple seconds. Take it out. Stick the new one in. Turn for a couple seconds. Now it should start. And it does. Let's see if the FOB works as well. Yep. Awesome. I'm so happy. You literally can't beat that. So these two keys, FOBs, were $30 shipped off of Amazon. And it did cost $100 total, $50 each to get cut. So the dealer was on point with that, the cutting. So $130 for two working keys with remotes. Whereas the dealership wanted like $306 just for one, and that didn't include the programming fee. I don't know what that would have been. I would have had to go to service for that. So, yeah, get your own. Like, don't go to the dealer. Well, maybe go to the dealer if I don't know. Depends on the person. I don't need it to be from the dealership. I'd rather save the few dollars. The FOB unlocks, locks, and the trunk button even works. It's awesome. Fully functional.